Okay, I'm going to try and explain this again because I don't think people are getting the gist of this, what this is. These guys communicate through math. Okay, so in Maryland, in this spot, something is going on with math and a dimensional type of something. This is the N number on an aircraft. This is called an N number. Okay, it's the license plate for the airplane. It never changes. A long time ago, I started thinking that the Bible was written in code and that they used certain code words. And so instead of the end times, once I started understanding math, I thought of the n times. Now when you go and you look up n times, it brings you into cubed algebra, the cube, which brings me right back to my original studies, okay, about the cube being tied into Saturn. In arithmetic and algebra, the cube of a number, which means squared, is its third power. 3 is the Kabbalistic number of Saturn. And the result of the number multiplied by itself twice. So if we look at this number, we've got 3 multiplied by itself 2 times. It's n for cubed algebra. And the answer, when we square 3, 3, and 3, comes out to 693, which goes along with all the other videos of 369, 963, 369. Okay? I don't know what they're pulling off. It's something dimensional. They're communicating with math. This is not a real airplane. I can't find any data on this aircraft. I can't find any data on the 70-year-old pilot. 7 is the number of completion. This number is cubed. It's 333 squared. That's what 3, 3, and 3 is squared. N is cubed algebra. They're squaring 3, 3, and 3. That's why, if you remember, let me see if I can find the picture. Hang on. Okay, so when we look at this, it's the same thing. They're just squaring this is all that they're doing. They're just squaring it, that's all. Why would they give you 2 for 333? It's the same thing as this picture here. They're just squaring it. They're talking to each other in math. I mean, I don't know how to explain this any more simpler to you. And I don't care if you don't get the idea of why they're doing it. You can see it. I mean, what do you got to be hit on the head with a fucking tack hammer? They're squaring the cube. It's 333 squared. N represents N. 3. What else do you need? To its third power. That's Saturn. Saturn is number 3 on the tree of the Kabbalistic tree of life. And if you don't understand any of that I'm talking about, get off my page. Because you're not going to get it. You're fucking 8,000 videos fucking behind. I get these fucking dorks that pop up on here and go, well, what's that mean? What's that? Well, fuck you. Go figure it out. What do you mean, what does it mean? I've only made about 8,000 videos. So I'm not going to go back and start over. That's exactly why, and I'm not comparing myself to him, I'm just saying, that's why Jesus spoke in parables. Because he got tired of people going, what's that mean? Those of you that are going to get it will understand this video. This is the last time I'm going to go into depth explaining something. Figure it the fuck out. And if your feelings got hurt too fucking bad,